Oh, wait a second. There we go.
Happy New Year's, everyone. I just got this package and I started to undo it, but I decided to not undo it and film the unboxing because I think it might be special. As you might not know, last year I did Kial Opens Fan Mail, which was me opening up a bunch of fake letters and stuff. That was the start of me experimenting around with my channel of what type of content that I wanted to do. And I chose this more commentary style content. So I decided a year later that I would do the same thing because the original one was, quote, a waste of YouTube's space. So, might as well get right into this. Okay, so I'm currently at 114 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure that this is my 100 subscriber play button. So, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Okay. So. You are at 100 subscribers and still a failure. Love you too. Nice. Ooh, motion. Okay, so let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. I mean, they didn't want to spend too much money on me. They didn't want to put it on a plaque or anything, but oh, this is beautiful. It has 100 right there. Oh, let's just put this over here. And it has my logo on it. And on the back it says Substance 100. And then my name. And this has the YouTube play symbol on it with 100. And this, okay, this plugs in like this. And I'm guessing you can either use this as a keychain or you can put it right there like that. Okay. That's pretty cool. Try to get this in focus. That is beautiful. Okay, so here, all this foam. Let me try to get the foam back in focus. There we go. So, oh wow. They also got me some soda. Thanks, YouTube. Got me a rubber ball. And wait, it's not just any ball, it's a super ball. That did not bounce at all. And they got me the chances of my channel just getting deleted this year. Ooh. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's a bad sign. So anyways, there we have it. These are the things that YouTube themselves sent to us. And I only had to screw it up once to actually make it. Yeah, that was... I mean, nobody told me that you're not supposed to put clear coat on top of spray paint. I thought that it would work. Oh well. This is something that I designed myself, and it's for the foremost active subscribers on my channel. So moving into 2017, I'd like to make some changes with my channel, mostly with uploads. I'd like to upload in a more predictable pattern. I haven't really had a schedule, but I'd like to make one because I think that'd be more positive for the channel. Another thing that I did was start a new channel which nobody really knows about that has an animation series that I'm working on. I might say more about this later on, but as of right now, it's sort of a secret, and for the storyline itself, I can't really talk about it too much. 100 subs is one of those things that I didn't actually think that I'd be able to hit. I know it's a very small number compared to other things, it's just something that I personally didn't think would happen. And I showed these off earlier on in the video, and what I'm going to do is I have picked 4 of my most active subscribers, being Jammer Chelle, Steve McCauley, L. Dot, and Silver Walls. I'll be mailing each one of them one of these. So congratulations to all of them. Thank you for being an active subscriber on my channel. I could not have hit this number without you guys. So that's my way of giving back to the community. So to make the video a little bit more interesting, I filmed the 3D printing of the 100 subscriber play button. I might mail that other 100 subscriber play button out to somebody when they hit 100 subscribers, but we're just gonna have to see about that. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and have a great 2017.
Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
And to anybody who thought that this part of my character was just a joke, joke's on them. I'm gonna go kill myself now.